Today, a highly requested video. My current GoPro vlogging setup. My setup allows me to capture audio for my commentary, block out wind noise, and also get a super wide field of view. All great things for a motovlog setup.
Now here's exactly what you need to mimic this setup.
GoPro. Any model will work really. I use the 9 just because it was cheap, but it still shoots in 4K and has hyper stabilization. GoPro mic adapter. This allows you to plug in a mic. You can go all out and buy something like a Purple Panda or cheap out for $5. The results are surprisingly the same. Small rig case. This case has a place for the camera, the mic adapter, and a mounting point for our mount. Danjo gripper mount. The mount itself. This thing is sweet because it's designed to clip onto virtually anything and get dope angles. It obviously works perfect for helmets. Setup time. Step 1. Install GoPro in the case and close the case. Step 2. Install mic adapter in the case and plug it into the GoPro. Step 3. Install the GoPro unit onto the Danjo gripper mount. Step 4. Plug in the lapel mic and route it around the Danjo gripper mount. Step 5. Tape it to the back of the Danjo gripper mount. Step 6.
You just mount it up. Now there is one additional feature that this Danjo gripper mount has, and that is this lanyard. So when you're out riding, if you're worried about this thing coming off, which it won't, but in case you are, what you'll do is you'll loop your helmet strap through here, and then if it does fall off, it's still hanging onto this, so you won't lose the GoPro. Now, if you're curious what settings I use, I shoot in 4K, 30 FPS with the lens on super view, hyper smooth is on, auto white balance, ISO minimum is 100, max is 1600. Now, the beauty of this setup is you can literally just clip it onto any helmet, unclip it. You can clip it to literally anything, not just helmets. New wrist mount. It's really cool because if you're out riding with friends, you can get your point of view and what you're saying, and simply just unclip this, clip it on someone else's helmet, and it's a full setup, all contained in this one little unit. So you don't have to worry about any ugly adhesive mounts that are on the helmet when you're not out motovlogging. You don't have to worry about routing a microphone somewhere through the helmet, which is just annoying. This is simple. It's all one unit, all together. You can clip it onto any helmet you want to use, and then you're good to motovlog. Now you're probably wondering, this looks pretty big. Is it heavy? No, I never have any issues with this being heavy. This is a lightweight MX helmet, so my neck never gets sore from wearing this. I used to have an adventure helmet that was like a pound heavier than this, and I still never got any sort of neck fatigue, so it's not a problem to wear it at all for me. I feel like you just have to get a little used to it, then you're good to go.
Woo, and we're out on the bike, guys, but there you have it. Here's my GoPro setup. As you can tell, audio sounds good. It's not getting overblown by wind or anything. You know, my mic is actually a little sensitive, so I could probably stand to get a new mic, but aside from that, it's really good, and I love the view. You can see all of the bars and everything in the shot. You can see this hand come off. It's all a pretty good setup, and I need a grease. I don't think you grease your brakes, but I need to fix whatever is wrong with my brakes right now because they are just screeching. But yeah, guys, that's the setup. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, GoPro Hero 9, mic adapter, small rig, case, and just a random $5 lapel mic that I got from Best Buy. Yeah, it's a pretty easy setup. And then the best part is, like I said, you can just pop it off, put it on anyone. You can put it on yourself like this. I don't know if you guys could hear me there, but yeah, it's a really cool setup, super dynamic. You can use it on a bunch of different helmets. You don't have to worry about you know, stupid ugly adhesive mounts on the helmets, anything like that. So I'm obviously a big fan, but yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty of content to come though. I will catch you next time though. Woo. Peace.